Hello! I'm feeling very festive at the moment. It's only April. The snow stopped, hopefully. It's a bright sunny day, but I'm feeling very festive and Christmassy. Because today I went to the shop and bought some Christmas puddings. Half price, bargain. Cheap as chips this time of year. So what I'm going to do is make some wine out of them. I've made before, and Christmas pudding wine is delicious. Perfect to go with your Christmas dinner, or just after with your cheese and your Christmas pudding, your Christmas cake. Mince pies as well go really well with it. All that jazz. Lovely. Anyway, if you're American, you may not know what a Christmas pudding is. It's one of these things. It's a dried fruit, suet, whiskey, brandy and flour concoction that's normally been made and left for about a year to absorb all the alcohol juices. You then pour whiskey on top of it, or brandy, and set it on fire on the Christmas table. Fantastic. So what I'm going to do is turn these into some wine. Awesome. First thing you want to do, chop up all of your Christmas puddings, have a taste, make sure they're suitable and tasty. They should be, but it's always worth checking and making sure before you throw it into your booze. You don't want bad booze because your raw ingredients are bad, do you? So give them a test. I'll be making about 2 gallons worth of wine. I've got 2 pounds of pudding, and I'll add sugar, both brown and white sugar, a tin of fruit, some raisins, or sultanas, which are they? I don't know. One or the other, doesn't really matter. They're dried grapes, regardless of what they're called. I'll add all that, throw it in, and let it just become friends and mellow together for about a week. Then I'll strain it off and let it bubble and ferment away for another week or 2 weeks. That's what I'm going to do. So first up, whilst you're busy chopping, I'm going to put the kettle on and dissolve your sugar. That's what I'm doing now. And also your brown sugar. That's 2.5 kilos. It's going to make it rich and strong and sweet and tasty and beautiful it will. Tidy. Sultanas. That's what I chose from the shop today. Now what I like to add to this wine is a tin of grapefruit. It just brings out a nice tartness, a nice sharp flavour that really cuts through the dense Christmas pudding flavour. Has a bit of bite to it, a bit of extra difference. Give that a stir. Nearly done we are. And bring it up to the boil. Get all those flavours to work together and become friendly. And whilst that does, I'm going to go and sterilise my fermentation bucket. It smells gorgeous, it does. Cinnamon and whiskey and brandy and all these extra delicious smells. Tidy? That is looking rather delicious if you ask me, it is. Very tidy. Yum. What I'm going to do now is pour it into the fermentation bucket. So I'll let that cool down for a bit and then I'll throw in the yeast. Tidy. I can't wait. It's going to be so tasty. Fantastic. Come on, hurry up Christmas. I'm impatient. I want to open up my Christmas pudding wine. Oh yes.